Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how can we edit our shapes within the CAD feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. And now, the edit shape or edit parts, and that is probably one of the most handiest tools you're going to have in your CAD, because you do not have an undo and a redo. Now, in the previous video, we looked at deleting a shape, but that is quite permanent. So if I've added a shape and I've maybe, let's say, let's quickly add one. So I go 500, 400, say okay, positioning, single, we click, we leave everything, we say okay. Now let's say I've got this shape and I realize, oh shucks, I was supposed to do this 500 by 500, not 500 by 400, or maybe I had to change the location or rotation. It could be any of that. And now instead of deleting it, which is quite permanent, what we can do is we simply select it, and then on a selected line there, we just double click it. Then if we've double clicked it, you'll see it opens up our options. But now we can set a few settings here on the left. So we can obviously set the origin, and then we can also set the width, height, the rotation again, and the location. If you want to move it to the right or so, you could, but let's say in our case we want to go 500 by 500, say okay, and there we go. It updates our shape. Now we've got a nice 500 by 500 square. Now this is very handy. Like I said, this tool, you'll be using it a lot if you make mistakes. So instead of undoing, you can just adjust things accordingly. So just a quick recap again. So in order to edit a shape, make sure you have a form of selection ready. So you'll see this icon changes to this plus. Then you click on your shape and you double click the corner, and then it will give you the actual option to edit it. So that is quite handy. But yeah, otherwise that is it of editing shapes. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.